I'm really proud and excited to support the Enter the World of Le Cordon Bleu Careers Residential. We've had a group of 16-year-olds from right around Australia come together to learn about both the culinary arts programs and the hospitality management courses.
So hopefully that gave them a good insight into what we do here.
A lot of people just go to a restaurant, they sit down, they eat their meal, they pay and they go home, and they don't really think about it. It gives you another level of appreciation for what they do.
The insight to the industry that the college gives the students really sets them apart.
If anyone is passionate about this, they would just love to immerse themselves and be surrounded, because there is an infinite amount of knowledge. This is like the gateway drug to the industry.
It's a very aspirational brand, Le Cordon Bleu, because it stands for excellence, it stands for culinary arts, it stands for French tradition. And that French tradition is all about creativity and doing the best you can do.